I don't wanna do the mga heights na activities. We'll do kayak and floating inflatable. So we're on our way sa floating, what do you call that? Sa thingy paper, it says floatable inflatables. I swear it says that. It's so far, like the parkinganan, all the way there. You have to walk this long strip. So kapuyan jud ka sa inflatable floatables. The zip line is right there, up there. We're not gonna do it. I'm gonna switch to GoPro in a while. Bye.
Ay, buslot din. Sige, just do it. Just do it. Sayang atong ibayran. Sige, good. Lagi, go. Sige, go.
3 hours later.
Bruh.
Like you think it's done, but it's not.
Pahinay pa daw. Pas-pas di kayo. Bruh. Carry your feet. Ayaw ipa hug imong tiil ba? Kuha kayo? You raise me up so I can stand on mountain. You raise me up. Oy! Sing it.
All black lagi ka. We're done with the aqua sports. Inflatable. Buho ah.
Ito yung
family of tuyums.
Oh, nice starfish.
Imagine if you fall here. Oh, look at all that tuyum.
You see that fish?
Where ba?
Take off your glasses, woman.
Ow!
Diba?
Hiding in plain sight. Look at that fish.
Told you they were a cult. And they're like, oh shit, they're looking dispersed.
Where's the big one? Ang leader ba?
They're hiding.
This one. Ay. The inflatable pool for children is dying. The floatable inflatables.
What is fun? Let me spell it for you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea. F is for fire that
We look like fools.
Look!
Look.
Okay.
F is for friends who do stuff together.
What was that?
Mga dengue ba?
U is for you and me. Try it!
N is for anywhere and anytime at all. Down here in the deep blue sea. Wait.
This is my crib.
Leads to the zip line.
Okay, let's go back. Pinaka ng hold hands ba?
F is for frolic through all the flowers. U is for you.
Yeah, mahog na yun sa pang-pang. This is how you fail as a couple. Couple of idiots.
Is this thing on?
Yes. Dear.
It's really stressful.
Dear Charo. Dear Charo. Oh my god, did you fart? Sige, ganahan gid ka itukmod. Bruh. Bruh. Nice sunset. Mo nang lisod, if you're a couple, wala photographer. Front office is there. Guest room is here. Oh, there's our car. Hey, car. Oh my god, ligsan ko. Goodbye. Ooh, this one's a goat.
It's gonna scream.
Bah!
Oh, it's gonna...
Ooh, nakuha pa diri.
It's a peacock!
Oh, it's running. He's doing the Naruto run. Let's go to Area 51.
If we Naruto run, we can move faster than their bullets.
Hello.
Nice gig call.
Good morning. So everything is until 5 lang. And it's already 5:30.
Everyone's free now after 5.
Yeah. It's a puppy dog. I think the dogs and the peacocks are friends. After 5. So this is the aviary.
Oh, look, ducks. Are those geese? I don't know. Probably ducks.
These are these. These nuts. This is the
It's a
Mayordoma.
monkey.
Where?
There.
Oh my god.
It's Goy.
Oh my god, I'm a monkey. Oh, that's so sad. I'll get you. We're looking for the stress ball. Stress ball. I'm stressed. I'm so stressed.
Dude, I don't talk about stress wall. We can hear all the breakage, boys.
Stress ball. Plastic. Kabit. Bullies.
In-laws.
Jobless. Liar. Sip-sip. Wala uyab.
Lazy
Bastos.
traffic.
Broken.
Oh my god, pigs!
Oink, oink. So we just passed by Maayo Hotel. I didn't know nga Maayo Hotel was right beside Maayo Medical. I didn't even know nga it had a hotel. I thought it was a hospital. So nag-think ko, what if Chonghua what if Chonghua had a hospital? Ay, buwang.
Yeah, I wonder how it would be.
If na Chonghua Hotel ba, so hello, welcome to Chonghua Hotel.
You're a fool.
What if Cebu Doc? Well, na may school, so if i-hotel nimo normal ra. CDH niya, CDU niya. CDH squared.
Hospital hotel.
Oh, I just had a baby vomit. Doon naman di ay. Yung papakits. We went there mga 9 a.m. For less than an hour siguro na. Abot namin.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
Bye! Buyers! Goodbye, papakits. If you enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!
Blah.